The era of cheap AliExpress imports and generic Facebook ads is officially over. What worked in 2018 is now a recipe for failure. Rising ad costs and 3-week shipping times have killed the traditional model. Today's customers demand speed, transparency, and trust above all else. But dropshipping isn't dead, it's just evolving. By 2026, the global market is projected to reach a staggering $590 billion. The first pillar of the new era is domestic sourcing. Local warehouses are the key to winning the logistics game in 2026. Forget overseas shipping delays. Domestic fulfillment ensures your brand stays competitive with Amazon-level shipping speeds. Move away from $10 trinkets. Successful brands now focus on high-ticket, solution-based products that offer real value to the consumer. Think smart ergonomics and at-home health tech. These products command higher margins and justify a premium brand experience. In 2026, branding is your only moat. A generic site feels like a scam, but a lifestyle-focused brand builds a community. Leverage AI to mine data. Modern tools can scan social signals to identify hyper-niches before they even go viral on the mainstream. Social commerce is the new frontier. Platforms like TikTok Shop allow for frictionless checkout where the customer never has to leave the app. Authenticity wins the algorithm. Creator-led content and organic reviews are replacing polished studio commercials for better engagement. Here is your 2026 blueprint. Validate with data, secure domestic partners, build a trust-centric brand, and launch with authentic UGC. Stop chasing short-term trends, start building a lasting brand today. The future of e-commerce is yours to claim.
Most dropshipping stores fail before they even start because they look like a digital junk drawer. To the customer, they scream unreliable. But look at this, a brand that commands respect and trust. Today, I will show you how to build a store that looks like a legacy brand. Phase 1. Defining your identity. You aren't just selling products, you are selling a feeling. It starts with a vision and a cohesive look. Consistency is key. Choose a palette, like navy blue and white, and stick to it across every single page. This creates instant recognition. Don't forget your value proposition. Tell your customers exactly why you exist and how you solve their problems in one powerful sentence. Phase 2. Curating a premium selection. Stop selling everything to everyone. Focus on high-quality, niche products that fit your brand's aesthetic. Discard the junk. If it doesn't look like it belongs in a high-end boutique, it doesn't belong in your store. Quality over quantity, always. Phase 3. Store design and user experience. A brand is an experience. Your website should be fast, intuitive, and beautiful. Delete those blurry manufacturer photos. Use high-resolution, custom photography that makes your products look like they belong in a magazine. In a world on the go, your store must be flawless on mobile. Speed and responsiveness are the silent pillars of brand trust. Phase 4. Building trust. Faceless stores are scary. Show your customers that there are real people behind the curtain. Provide real-time support. A quick response to a customer's question can turn a skeptic into a lifelong brand advocate. Clear shipping policies and authentic customer reviews are the final pieces of the puzzle. They provide the social proof every beer craves. Conclusion: the brand advantage. When you build a brand, you aren't just making a sale. You are building an asset that grows in value every day. The final touch: your logo on premium packaging. It's the first physical interaction your customer has. Make it count. Ready to transform your business. Subscribe for more insights on building the future of e-commerce. Let's build something lasting together.
Welcome to 2026. The dropshipping game has changed completely. If you are still just product flipping, you are already behind the curve. The era of cheap traffic is over. Today, the era of profitable systems and brand-first thinking has officially arrived. Phase 1 is market research. In 2026, we leverage AI-powered tools like Minea and Google Trends to identify high-potential niches instantly. Always aim for products with at least a 25% net margin. Focus on problem-solving items or high-aesthetic products that trigger emotional buying. Next, let's look at platforms. TikTok ads are dominated by trend-jacking and raw, authentic user-generated content that beats high-production ads every time. Meta has moved into the post-Andromeda AI era. Success here depends on high-intent targeting and monitoring your cost-per-purchase benchmarks closely. Google Shopping remains the king of stability. Use high-intent search terms to capture customers who are ready to buy right now. Creative strategy is your competitive edge. In 2026, we use AI to generate powerful ad hooks and story-based copy that stops the scroll. A winning creative should aim for a 2.5% click-through rate. The hook must grab attention in the first second. Your funnel must be seamless. From the ad to the product page and the sticky cart, every step should drive the user toward the upsell. Master your unit economics. Track your COGS, shipping, and ad spend to find your true break-even point using tools like True Profit. When you find a winner, scale it. Move from $50 a day to $1,000 through horizontal and vertical testing strategies. Don't forget retargeting. Use SMS and email marketing to increase your customer lifetime value without spending an extra dime on ads. To wrap up, follow this checklist. Start your testing with a modest budget and focus on the systems that drive long-term profit. The digital landscape is yours to conquer. Start testing today and build your empire in the 2026 dropshipping era. The e-commerce landscape of 2026 is unforgiving. Statistics show that nearly 90% of dropshippers will fail before their first payout. They enter the market with dreams of passive income, only to find themselves staring at flat revenue lines and mounting subscription fees. The competition is fiercer, the customers are smarter, and the margins are thinner than ever before. It's no longer a get-rich-quick scheme. The struggling entrepreneur stares at a store suspended notification, a common sight for those who ignore the new rules of the game. The first major hurdle is the death of low-ticket products. In 2026, the math simply doesn't add up for cheap gadgets. When advertising costs rise, selling a $15 item becomes a financial suicide mission. Your customer acquisition cost will often exceed your total price. Furthermore, the market is flooded with the same low-quality items. Consumers are tired of seeing these generic products in their feeds. Then there is the issue of global logistics. Modern consumers expect transparency and speed, two things basic dropshipping often lacks. A 3-week shipping time in the age of same-day delivery is a trust killer. This delay leads to high refund rates and store bans. Gen Z and millennial buyers prioritize brand authenticity and sustainability. They can spot a low-effort dropshipping site in seconds. If your store looks like a template and lacks a real mission, you've already lost the battle for the consumer's wallet. Now, let's talk about the AI trap. Many beginners believe AI can run their business for them without any human oversight. Generic AI content doesn't sell. It lacks the emotional resonance needed to convert a skeptical visitor into a loyal customer. Contrast this with human-led storytelling. The successful 10% use AI as a tool, not a replacement for their own creative vision. So how do the successful 10% survive? It starts with high-ticket items and deep niche research. They build brands, not just stores. This means custom packaging, original content, and establishing local warehouses for lightning-fast shipping. They leverage AI for data and forecasting, allowing them to stay ahead of trends while focusing their energy on high-level strategy. Success in 2026 requires niche depth, customer value, and extreme financial patience. There are no shortcuts left. If you are willing to do the work that 90% won't, you can achieve the results that the 90% will never see. Stop chasing trends and start building a real brand today. Subscribe for more deep dives into the future of business.